Did my bestie send me the recipe for my favorite Starbucks drink? Yes. Did I instantly go and get all of the things for it? Also, yes. So, let's make it. Full disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. I've just kind of watched the recipe once and I'm just going to kind of go from there. Okay. Just adding my brown sugar before I do my espresso. Stirring my brown sugar with my espresso. I'm gonna add some cinnamon, just a little. We measure with our hearts around here, not with an actual measuring spoon. Also, I'm using regular milk instead of oat milk because that's what I have. That's what my son drinks it. Still stirring. Now for my favorite part that I've actually never done before, I'm gonna make my own cold foam stuff. I don't know if you're supposed to shake this, but did. Hold on. Got the milk in, or the half and half rather. I'm not really sure how much of this you're supposed to pour in. That looks like a lot. Do you think I made too much? Added my ice. Now we're adding the top. Let's give it a try. My son. That's where it's at. Baby, you want to try? She's camera shy. Anyways, pretty sure this whole video is a complete chaotic mess, but get it. It's the brown sugar, whatever. Delicious!